hold on. That's a bit, cause you're calm down.
Watch me, show me, watch me. Watch me. Show me, watch me, please. Show me. Give me now, please. Wait.
Stop.
I wish I could do that.
But he can't just do this, really. He's gotta get like a rhythm. He's gotta get his head going and everything. It's like, yeah. And he's just like, yeah.
Uh-huh. Yo, that was a juicy one, Shelby. Oh, that was no.
Yeah, you gotta relax for a second. Yeah, so you gotta let yourself you gotta let your throat and your saliva relax for a second.